Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of festive fun with a product that's perfect for Halloween and beyond. Say hello to the best Halloween Jello Shot Syringes, the PISSION Jello Shot Syringe Pack. Imagine throwing a party where everyone gets to indulge in playful, tasty treats. With these syringes, you can create an unforgettable experience, perfect for Halloween gatherings, graduation parties, or any festive occasion. This pack comes with 100 syringes, each with a 10 milliliter capacity, ideal for shooting up your favorite Jello concoctions. Made from food-grade plastic, these syringes are 100% BPA-free, ensuring they're safe for both adults and kids alike. The included tip caps help prevent leaks and keep everything hygienic until you're ready to serve. Making your Jello shots has never been easier. Simply draw up your favorite liquid, whether it's flavored Jello, a creative cocktail, or even fun-colored pudding, through the tip of the syringe. Then, just squeeze it out for a delicious, fun experience. The design is straightforward and user-friendly. Each syringe is equipped with a plunger that operates smoothly, allowing for easy dispensing of your liquid treats. The 10 milliliter capacity is perfect for single servings, making it easy to control portion sizes, ensuring no one overindulges, unless they want to. Not only are these syringes great for Jello shots, but they also have a wide range of applications. They can be used for themed parties, Halloween decor, or even as a fun addition to a medical-themed event. They're great for adding that extra touch of whimsy to your gatherings. Whether you're hosting a Halloween bash, a graduation celebration, or a birthday party, these syringes can be a fantastic conversation starter. Picture this: a table decorated with various colorful Jello shots, each loaded into a syringe, ready for your guests to enjoy. It's not just about the flavor, it's about the fun presentation and the interactive experience that these syringes provide. They're also perfect for other festivities like Thanksgiving and Christmas, adding a splash of color and creativity to your holiday gatherings. Imagine offering a selection of festive Jello flavors that match your party theme: pumpkin spice for Thanksgiving or peppermint for Christmas. Now, let's talk about safety. These syringes are made from food-grade materials, which means you can feel confident in using them for food and beverages. The rubber stopper ensures that your liquids stay contained until you're ready to dispense. Plus, with their tip caps, you can keep them clean and avoid any spills during transport. At a price of just $27.99, you're getting an incredible deal for 100 syringes. That's only 28 cents each. This means you can throw a massive party without breaking the bank. The versatility and fun factor of these syringes truly make them worth the investment. So, whether you're planning a spooky Halloween gathering, a lively graduation party, or just a fun get-together with friends, the PISSION Jello Shot Syringe Pack is your go-to choice for adding a playful twist to your celebrations. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more product reviews and recommendations, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest in fun and unique party supplies. Until next time, keep the celebrations alive.